Parrot Story. Subscribe to this channel. Title: Polly the Parrot's Magical Tune. Once in a colorful jungle, Polly the parrot was known for her vibrant feathers and her magical ability to mimic any sound she heard. Kids from all around would visit to hear her sing. One day, Polly heard a melodious tune from a flute playing boy. She decided to learn the tune, practicing it day and night. It wasn't easy, but Polly was determined. After weeks of practice, she finally perfected it. When the kids returned, they were amazed as Polly filled the jungle with the enchanting tune. Her dedication taught the kids that hard work can lead to wonderful surprises. Polly's jungle became a magical concert hall filled with laughter thanks to her musical talent. Subscribe to our channel for more enchanting stories. Thank you.